Hello everyone, my name is Kirsten Emenecker and I am currently enrolled at Stockton University, enrolled in the Teacher Education Program. Today I'm going to be giving you a brief tour of my portfolio, and right now I would just like to take the time to say thank you and I hope you enjoy my portfolio. So the page that is in front of us is the landing page. So here you will see an image of myself, you will see a bit about me just through a short brief paragraph, and then you will see these buttons, which is one way you can navigate through my portfolio. Another way you can navigate through my portfolio is these tabs at the top. So we will begin with looking at my resume. So my resume includes my work experience, my education, and my skills and expertise. And then next we will look at the technology projects. So I'm currently enrolled in an educational technology course, and in this course we learn about different platforms of technology that we can use in our future classrooms as a teacher, or what our students can use in the future. So if you just click on the image, it will take you right to the platform that I created. And then we have lesson plans. Once again, you can just click on the image and it will take you right to the lesson plan. And then next we have my philosophical statement about teaching. So here you can click to view the full statement, but if you scroll down a little further, these are just the short snippets of my statement. And then lastly, here's the contact information if you want to reach out about any questions, comments, or concerns. And once again, thank you so much for your time, and I hope you enjoy my portfolio.